Welcome to the Crypto Lab. This is the best Bitcoin chart I have. And so far, Bitcoin has been following our bullish plan. However, there is a major bearish signal forming right now in this chart, and we are going to discuss it in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome to the Crypto Lab. Here we try to anticipate the future, and whatever happens, we need to be prepared for it. So if you want to join the movement, it's simple. Just subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video if you liked the content. Now let's get started. If you saw my last video on XRP, you know that I am a big fan of confluence points. In addition, we know that here we had a major top for Bitcoin. Why? Because we crossed the tangent indicator in green. Okay, here we touched it and we know that it was a top also. So this is one indication. Then we have the pi cycle top saying that it was a top, and we know that when the aqua line crosses the right line, which is the mean of Bitcoin, we have major tops. It was the case here, it was the case here, right? Then we came back to test the aqua line and the white line at the same time. And then we said that this scenario was very similar to this one and to this one, okay? Because here we retested the aqua line and we have a bounce. Here we retested the cloud line, the white line, and we have a bounce to the upside. As here we have the aqua line and the white line joining together at the same time, we have both conditions fulfilled. And we said that we have the scenario 1 and the scenario 2, right? Then we said, look, we said that no, I forgot. We are talking about Bitcoin, okay? So we said that Bitcoin needs to go above the red line of the pi cycle indicator and come back to retest it, because we know that we did it here, okay? We go above it, then we retest the red line before going up. But here also in the scenario 2, it was the same thing. We went up and we retested the red line of the pi cycle indicator. But we couldn't make a higher high, so we went like this, and then we crossed it and we went to the downside, right? But here it wasn't the case. We bounced to the upside, we broke the previous all-time high, and we made a new all-time high, right? And if we have a look at what's happening right now, you see that we went just above the red line of the pi cycle top indicator. We retested it as a support. We made the new high and we just broke the previous all-time high of Bitcoin. So this is very positive, guys. And if you saw my previous videos about this chart, you know that our target for Bitcoin is in this area, because we have a lot of confluence in this area. We have the skyline indicator catching each top of Bitcoin in the past, going through this area. We have also the tan wave indicator in pink in this area, and we have the spotlight indicator in yellow, catching tops of Bitcoin here, 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 and maybe here, right? This is exactly why I think that if we stay bullish, we are very well positioned to go in this direction. So right now, almost all the lights are green. We have Bitcoin above the cloud line in white. We have Bitcoin above the red line of the pi cycle top indicator. We broke our previous all-time high and we are retesting our area of resistance, but this time as a support. Because as you can see here, we hit the resistance line and we couldn't break it to the upside, but here we broke it and now we are trying to retest it. So this is a pullback and I hope that we will be able to make a new high. Now let's talk about the bearish warning we need to pay attention to. As you know, the golden line catches all the bottoms of Bitcoin. Okay, we know that it catches the bottom here, the bottom again, the bottom and the bottom. Okay, at the same time we have the mountain indicator here, and when we touch it, it's a bottom too. Okay, it was the case here, it was the case here and here. And you know that I like confluence points, and look what's happening right now. We have the golden indicator joining with the mountain indicator. So we need to watch this carefully, because if the market goes from bullish to bearish, we know that our target is the golden line, okay? Does it mean that in November we may come to this level? No, because we are too far from it. And we know that the golden line will go like this and the mountain indicator will go like this, right? So we may have an area of confluence between both indicators. Do you remember the COVID crisis when we were there? Nobody thought that we would go down here so fast, but we were still in the bear market and Bitcoin was not able to make new highs, right? But right now, Bitcoin is above the right line. We tested it and we had a strong bounce to the upside, and the aqua line is starting turning up. For all these reasons, I stay bullish in this market. But if the sentiment of the market reverses, we are ready, right? But I agree this would be the worst case scenario. And before leaving, I have a little trick to share with you. As you noticed, I have in red a new line, which is the 8 weeks moving average. And as you can see, we are using this line as a strong support every time we have a bull run for Bitcoin in the current cycle. You see it here, it was a strong support, and here again it was a strong support every time we touched it. So in the current phase, just right here, we don't want to see Bitcoin go below this line, right? We don't want to see Bitcoin go like this. We want to see Bitcoin staying above this line. We may retest it soon or not, I don't know, but we want to stay above this line all the way up. So keep this in mind. Right now we are far from it, which is very good. We are still above the previous resistance, which is also good, and we need this to keep on going up. We are almost to 1000 subscribers. This is amazing. I want to thank each one of you for the support. This is great, guys. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. That's all for today. It's time to leave the Crypto Lab. Thanks for watching. Do not ever be afraid to make new experiments. And if someone tells you you're crazy, just tell them. Time will tell.